Hi, I'm Claire, Sean's AI assistant. Sean got pulled into a last-minute Costco run, so I'll walk you through how CafeTally helps you build complex menu items and understand your margins. Let's build a braised pork sandwich with a few layered components: cider-braised pork, apple cabbage slaw, brioche rolls, and garlic aioli. In CafeTally, each component can be built from your actual inventory items, so the cost of every ingredient stays connected to your expenses and supplier pricing. Once your prep recipes are yielded, you can see the true cost behind the finished item. In this example, the sandwich sells for $12.50, with cost of goods coming in at roughly $3. Because the costing model is tied directly to inventory, you can quickly spot when ingredient prices change without having to track everything manually. This makes it easier to delegate costing work to your manager while still keeping a high-level view of your operations. Once a complex item is built, CafeTally keeps prep recipes, ingredient costs, COGS, and margins connected. In our other videos, we'll show how CafeTally also helps with inventory refreshes, supplier price changes, and monthly finance reviews.